Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this is the third video of KQL. So in the previous video we have seen how to access a table. So how you do that? So let's see. First we need a cluster. So I will write cluster and cluster name here is help. In that cluster we have database name. So I am taking database of contour cells. In that contour cells we have tables and I am taking the customers table, right? So if I run, we will get all the data of customers table. So now from this customer table I want only North America continent name. Okay, so I'll write like a pipe, then where condition, then continent name equals to North America, right? Now this one created a table. Okay, so in this table, from this table I want like education should be high school. So I'll create another pipe where education equals to high school. Okay, so if I run this one, education will be high school only. Okay, but uh, we do not need to put another pipe. We can write add also, and we can write and also. So I can write and. Okay, if I run this one, and remove where, then if I run this one, we can get the same result. Okay, so after that what I want to see how many records are here. So continent name is North America and education is high school. So how many records are here? Here you can see 1556. I want to see here. So how to get it? I will create another pipe, then I can write only count. Okay, so if I run, here you can see 1556. Okay, so it works like count star in SQL. Okay, so I'll run this one. Okay, now I want in this table, I want customer key should be greater than 3000. So I'll remove this count. I can write a pipe, then I can write like customer where customer key is greater than 3000. Okay, if I run this one, I will get the data only for customer key greater than 3000. Okay, now I do not want all of these columns. I want only few selective columns. So there is a function called project. Okay, so I can write project. So I want only city name, then I want first name, gender and last name. First name, gender, last name. Okay, so if I run this one, here you can see only 4 columns are coming and satisfying all these conditions. Okay, so now we will take another table So the table name will be new cells. Okay, so here you can see we'll get all the data from new cells. Now what I want to see uh, in SQL we have group by to do any aggregation. So here in KQL we have some functions. We have function like summarize. Okay, so summarize does the same thing as group by. So here you can see it is exceeding because there are some limitations to show the to showcase the all the records. Okay, that is not an issue. So what we want like uh, total cells where color name is black and silver. Okay, so where color name should be black and silver. Now how I can write? I can write like in, there is an in operator, so in function. So in we can write like blue and red, blue comma red. Okay, so it will return me only records with blue and red, right? So now I want what is my total cost. Okay, total cost of blue and red. So how I can write? I can write like there is summarize function. So in summarize we can give a name. Okay, so I am giving a name like total cost equals to sum of, there is a table called total cost. Okay, so if I run this one, uh, if I run this one, we will see the total cost of color blue and red, it is showing here. Okay, so like this we can do the summarize and we can filter out the values. So this is for today. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys, thank you.